I have to fix iPhone 7 Plus hanging on Apple logo. This is the logo. This is how it hangs. This problem will occur maybe after fixing battery. So what they are going to do is, because this phone cannot off, so have to put it on DFU mode to enable it connect to computer for flashing. So press volume down and power button. Leave the power button, continue holding the volume down. I'm still holding the volume down. Continue holding the volume down, then press power button a little bit again. Then leave the power button. Continue holding the volume down. It will soon enter DFU mode and show computer sign. In case it doesn't, you try it again. Good, it has entered the DFU mode. This is DFU mode here, or recovery mode. So what I'm going to do now, because I have the file already downloaded on my system, I'm going to flash this phone using iTunes. If you don't know how to do it, please check out of my videos. You'll see how to do that. So then we'll click here. Then before you click here, make sure you are holding the shift button of your system. Then it will take you to the location of the file, or you go and locate the file. The process has started and it will soon finish depending on the speed of your system. Please ensure that you subscribe this channel, share this with your friends, and also like the video. If you have any problem, please ensure you use the comment section. Once you are done flashing it, once you are done writing the program, then the only thing you are going to do is you set up your iCloud passcode on the iPhone, and everything is okay. The phone will start working. Your phone is almost done flashing. Once it's done, it will ask you for iCloud and other things. It's just that this is the solution for iPhone 7, iPhone 7s, and iPhone 7 Plus hanging. This is how you can solve it. You can as well check the battery, whether the problem is from the battery. So that is the phone. So the next thing now is to input the iCloud, and everything is okay. Please, if you want to know more about this, check a link on the description to my course. I have a lot of students. You can join them. You can still know how you can make money flashing phone for others. And that's called take it bit by bit and show you everything you need to know on how to be a professional phone software technician.